Hi, Danielle. So how's it going?
Um, okay, I guess.
Well, let's take a look. It seems that things are going pretty smoothly, and you seem to be interested in the reading. Is that still true?
It's okay. I like The Invisible Man, but this new book doesn't make much sense. I just don't know how to analyze it.
Is that why you didn't submit this week's essay?
Yes.
Danielle, it's really important that you let me know as soon as you are having trouble. It's not too bad that you're behind this one assignment, but you need to submit this soon to avoid falling too far behind.
There are too many of these. It seems a bit much to have to write one every week. How am I supposed to read all the assigned chapters and then get every essay done? It's too much. I mean, I went to the best high school in Chicago and we never had this much work. It's ridiculous.
Well, Danielle, this is AP level, and it is rigorous. I know that you can do this. You're obviously smart enough. Sometimes when we're doing something that's harder than what we're used to, it can be a real challenge. Think about when you go to college. This is the chance to gain some valuable skills, learn to pace yourself, and manage your time. Okay?
Yeah, I guess.
Let's try and brainstorm ways that can make all this work seem more manageable. How are you now keeping track of all the assignments and due dates?
I just have a notebook and the syllabus. You know, I just...
Okay, let's try not to get discouraged. I know this can seem tough, but I think with a little more organization, this work will not seem so hard. Also, if you can get on top of these assignments, think how good that's going to feel. Let's take a look at the first essay you wrote for The Invisible Man. If I'm not mistaken, Mrs. Davis thought it was great. Can you think about how you went about constructing that essay?
Well, it was so easy to write. That was such a great book, but this one... But I guess I could start by writing some ideas down.
Great. That seems like an excellent place to start. Maybe as you read, you can write thoughts down in a journal or a small notebook. I also think with hard books, it's good to bring those questions to class. I'm sure that you're not the only one having difficulty. And what about your online class? Have you tried posing some questions to the discussion board?
No, not yet. But I guess I could do that.
Okay, that's a good first step. Let's see. If we look over the syllabus, your next written assignment is not due until the end of next week. So maybe you could draft the overdue essay tonight and tomorrow and be on track. We're probably going to take a break in the next 10 minutes. Why don't you think of a couple of questions to pose to the group about the book, and we can have a brief discussion and see what the other guys think. I also bet that anyone here would be more than happy to read over your draft and give you feedback. I also think that you need to come up with a system to keep track of when assignments are due. How about keeping a big calendar posted on your wall at home? Fill it in with when reading has to be done, writing assignments, anything that needs to be submitted, when quizzes are scheduled. That way it's easy to see and you don't have to flip around different pieces of paper that are stuffed in your notebook. What do you think?
It sounds okay. All right, I'll give it a try and we'll work on the essay tonight.
Great. Remember, if an assignment seems overwhelming, break it down into small, doable steps.
Okay.